In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a WordPress site in 2026. Before we begin, a quick heads up. This walkthrough is for sites managed on WordPress.com. You'll need to be signed in with the account that owns the site. Deleting a site is permanent and removes all content, so if you think you might need anything later, consider exporting your posts, pages, and media first. With that in mind, let's get started. Open WordPress and sign in to your dashboard. Once you land on your site's homepage in the admin area, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is where all of your management options live. Find and select Hosting. That will take you into the area that controls technical settings for your site. At the top of the hosting screen, you'll see a horizontal menu. Look for the option labeled Settings that sits next to Logs, and click it. You're now in the Settings panel for your site's hosting and management features. Scroll down this page until you reach the section labeled Danger Zone. This area groups actions that can have big consequences, like shutting down a site, so proceed carefully and make sure you're working on the correct site if you manage more than one. Inside the Danger Zone, locate the option for Delete Site. Click it to begin the deletion process. WordPress will ask you to confirm this decision, and for good reason. To verify you understand what's about to happen, you'll be prompted to type your site's domain exactly as it appears. Enter it carefully, matching the full domain with no extra spaces or typos. If the confirmation button looks disabled, double check for stray characters or missing dots. Once the domain is entered correctly, the final delete site button will become active. Click delete site to confirm. WordPress will process the request, and you may see a confirmation message or receive an email noting the deletion. Depending on caches and indexing, it can take a little time before the site stops appearing publicly. A couple of important notes. Deleting a site is different from making it private. If you simply want to take it offline temporarily, consider privacy settings instead of deletion. Also, if you use a custom domain, deleting the site does not automatically cancel domain registration or other paid plans. Manage those separately in your account settings to avoid future charges. That's it. You've navigated to Hosting, opened Settings, found the Danger Zone, selected Delete Site, confirmed with your domain, and finalized the deletion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your WordPress.com sites with confidence.